Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a part 2 of conversation. So we are going to do a dialogue between a formal places and me, like when I am going for bank stations and all. So how we or how I will communicate with the cashiers and all. So let's start with me. So when I'm going, so I will say hello. So I will say hello, bonjour. So maybe he will or she will respond me, bonjour madame, bonjour monsieur. So then here she will ask my name, votre name s'il vous plaît, which means your name please, votre name s'il vous plaît. So I will respond, oh Ria, yeah, oh, any any name you can take. Or maybe I will respond like je m'appelle Ria. So she will be questioning me like how will you write your name. So in French she will ask like Ria, ça s'écrit comment? Ria, ça s'écrit comment? So I will respond RIYA. So in tomorrow's video I will tell you how we pronounce alphabet in a French. So in today's video I will formally say RIYA, but in a tomorrow video we will also cover how will we pronounce alphabets in French. Okay, bye guys. So connect with my tomorrow's video. Thank you.